Have you seen those crazy castor oil hacks blowing up on social media? People are putting it just everywhere. They're putting it on their scalps, on their skin, on their eyebrows, even in their eyes. Yes, you heard right, even in the eyes. Do you know castor oil's benefits? It's not a modern thing. It's been around for quite a while. That as well as coconut oil. So today I'm going to talk about two of my favorite types of oils for health benefits and beauty hacks, everything put together. Today I'm going to talk about both coconut and castor oil.
Growing up in the Caribbean, castor oil was a staple in our household. We used it for everything. Our grandmothers swore by castor oil for everything from constipation to stubborn skin tags. Lately, however, it's become the new it ingredient on social media with wild claims about hair growth. And as you can see, here in the Virgin Islands, of course, we have coconut trees everywhere. Is it just a bunch of old wives' stories, or is there any truth to the castor oil fad, or is there actual science behind these natural remedies? Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Maria Gumensing, and in this video, my family's secrets about castor oil and coconut oil, plus I'll reveal the science-backed benefits that can transform your hair and health. Also, how I use it to keep my skin looking young. So stay with me and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's talk about two of my favorite hair and beauty heroes, castor and coconut oil. Now, these might not be the fanciest ingredients on the shelf, but trust me, in the Caribbean and many parts of India, they've been beauty staples for generations. In fact, growing up, a bottle of castor oil was as common in our household as ketchup. My Indian grandmother always insisted that my mother drench my hair with coconut oil. Now, it wasn't just a remedy, it was a tradition, a secret elixir passed down through generations. Little did I know that this thick golden liquid of castor oil, often dismissed as just a solution for occasional tummy troubles, would evolve into a wellness sensation, especially when teamed up with another household favorite, coconut oil. Let's rewind a bit. Remember that clean beauty craze that took the internet by storm? Castor oil suddenly became this trendy secret weapon. But the truth is, it's far from a fad. This oil has been around for centuries, and it's been used by people worldwide for everything from constipation, yes, you heard that right, to smoother skin. Now, before slathering castor oil all over yourself like some DIY disaster, there are a few things to know. First, quality matters. We're talking 100% pure, organic, cold-pressed, extra virgin oil, free of any chemicals or weird stuff. It's like the olive oil you drizzle on your salad. You wouldn't use the cheap stuff for cooking, would you? Well, the same goes for your beauty routine. Now, let's open up the mystery behind this potent duo, castor oil and coconut oil, often called nature's Botox. Dr. Devin Lim, a respected figure in the medical field, says these oils have been the go-to for decades, with their main historical use being the treatment of constipation. However, as we get deeper into the scientific research, we find more to this widely searched oil. Castor oil comes from the racinaceous plant and is packed with fatty acids, including vitamin E. Like other oils, it acts like a fancy bodyguard for your skin, locking in moisture and preventing that dry, flaky look, like a tiny little shield against dehydration. Castor oil has also this cool, occlusive property. It forms a protective barrier on your hair, which is amazing for dry strands and those pesky split ends, which I suffer from a lot. My hair ends are extremely dry, and coconut oil works similarly, which is why these two make such a powerful team. Now, coconut oil, this one needs no introduction. The sweet scent alone takes me right back to my grandma's kitchen, where she'd use it for everything from cooking to deep conditioning her hair. Coconut oil is another champion when it comes to moisture. It's loaded with fatty acids that penetrate deep into your hair, making it stronger, shinier, and less prone to breakage. In fact, I remember her delivering jars to my mother all the way in St. Thomas regularly. I also remember other children in school smelling my hair and complimenting the smell. Vague memories. But here's the thing, not all hair types are created equal. So while coconut oil is fantastic for most hair, it might be a little bit too heavy if you have fine or easily weighed down hair. Don't worry, there are always ways to work around that, and I'll mention how in a second. Now let's get lost in scientific jargon. Let's break down why this duo is hailed as nature's Botox. Castor oil and coconut oil stand out as a timeless elixir. This dynamic duo brings essential amino acids and omega-9 fatty acids penetrating deep into hair follicles to stimulate growth and fullness. While castor oil has long been known for its ability to hydrate and heal, coconut oil complements its natural antioxidants, fatty acids, minerals, and proteins, offering a holistic solution for skin conditions, especially acne. It's like a harmonious blend of nature's purest ingredients, integrating to nourish your hair and skin with hydration and nutrients. Firstly, let's talk about the castor oil. Castor oil has emollient properties that make a standout moisturizer. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, this oil is a humectant, locking in moisture and reducing water loss. Whether applied to the skin or hair, castor oil hydrates, leaving your skin supple. Moving on to its antioxidant power. Castor oil is loaded with fatty acids. This anti-inflammatory powerhouse can be a game changer for skin ailments like psoriasis and eczema. It's not just about hydration, it's about calming irritated skin and providing relief where needed most. But what about wound healing? Applying castor oil to wounds create a moist environment that facilitates healing, preventing sores from drying out. While this might not substitute conventional wound care, it's a natural alternative that aligns with the body's healing processes. I use it as moisture because it keeps my skin hydrated, moisturized, and it plumps up the skin like fillers. It fully absorbs into the skin and it does not clog, which I appreciate. I use it to get rid of puffiness on the face because of its anti-inflammatory benefits, and you could use it with a gua sha. Now, shifting towards coconut oil, it can also be your skin's best friend when strategically used. Wrinkles and fine lines start to appear as our skin loses elasticity and collagen production slows down. Coconut oil, with its amazing moisturizing properties, can also help plump and hydrate the skin, reducing the appearance of those unwanted lines. Plus, some studies suggest it might even stimulate collagen production, which is a win-win in my book for maintaining that youthful look. Of course, coconut oil isn't a miracle cure. Genetics and sun damage play a huge role in wrinkles too, but when used consistently as part of your skincare routine, it can definitely make the difference. Now, the million-dollar question. Can you use these two oils together on your face? Technically, yes. And I do that. I mix both of them. I put it on my skin, put it on my hair, put it on my lips, put it on my ankles, I put it on my hand. It's just perfect. And remember though, castor oil is a strong player. I recommend mixing a tiny amount of castor oil, think like a few drops, with a dollop of coconut oil. Make sure to do a patch test on your inner elbow first to make sure it doesn't irritate your skin, because it doesn't work for everyone. Also, if all goes well, you can use this DIY serum, like I say, on your face, focusing on areas with wrinkles or dryness. Here's another tip. Apply this on your face at night before bed. Coconut oil can clog pores for some people, but using it at night allows your skin to absorb the benefits without worrying about breakouts. Remember, consistency is key. For optimal results, aim to use these powerhouse oils a few times weekly. You'll be amazed at how soft, hydrated, and youthful your skin can look. Does it make the lash and brow grow and all the other claims that you've been seeing on social media? I don't know about those, and I'm trying them out. And I'll come back and give you an update. But there are no hard scientific evidence, but many swear by it. If you do it, some of these trends, and it works, please tell me about it in the comment section. Now let's address the elephant in the room. You might have heard some not so great things about coconut oil for hair, especially if you have fine or easily weighed down hair. Well, here's the thing. Coconut oil is a heavyweight in terms of moisture. While that's fantastic for dry, coarse hair, it can make fine hair limp and greasy. So what do you do if you fall into that category but still want to reap the benefits of coconut oil? Try a hair mask. Mix some equal parts of coconut oil and yogurt, the plain one, and apply it to the mid-length and ends of your hair. This will help balance the heaviness of the coconut oil, leaving your hair soft and manageable without weighing it down. Well, the bottom line in all of this is that castor oil and coconut oil are nature's beauty power couple, but you've got to use them strategically. With a little experimentation and these handy tips, you can unlock the magic of these natural ingredients and transform your hair and skin into something truly beautiful. I had stopped using it for a long time, but was just reminded, thanks to TikTok, that we have these natural products available, some right around me. So be sure to talk to your healthcare provider. Let me know if you have used castor oil and how it has worked for you, as well as coconut oil.
So do share your thoughts and queries in the comment section below, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Subscribe for some great information and informative videos like this one coming up.